I'm here at the balcony of the studio unit here in Uptown Arts Residence. And this unit is ready to move in. Ready for occupancy na tong unit na to. So upon paying 1.6 million, you can move in this unit. So you will get the view Ortega skyline. So pipili na lang kayo kung anong studio unit yung kukunin nyo. But this studio unit is 41.5 square meter yung size niya. So let's go inside the unit. So here, very quick tour lang to. So this is a studio unit here in Uptown Arts Residence, 41.5 square meter. So this is how wide the studio unit. May kasama na siyang closet. And meron na siyang kasamang inverter, split type aircon. And our walls are fully furnished na. Hindi siya white like may pagka-grayish siya na color. And our flooring, wood flanks na homogeneous tiles na yung gamit natin dito. And of course, we have here a toilet and bath. So, for our toilet and bath, upon turnover, this is the exact turnover na ibibigay sa inyo. Meron siyang toilet, bidet, lavatory, white wood finish na storage, and of course, yung ating wall are so fully fitted na. And also, here, we have provision for washer-dryer in this side. And meron siyang door, mirror panel. Here, let's go inside the kitchen. So sa kitchen natin, fully furnished na rin yung ating kitchen. May countertop. And we have here the Gourmet by Ora Ito na range hood. And of course, 2 induction cooktop. And of course, mga storage natin made by Hopper. Meron na tayong mga pin lights, retractable faucet, and the box type sink by Frank. Of course, yung studio unit natin is may inclusion na siya na ating this Gourmet by Ora Ito na retro fridge. So this is the kitchen, naka-enclose na. Most of the studio unit kasi is nasa labas. Nandito ang ating kitchen. So from the bedroom, nakikita natin yung ating mga hugasin. So this unit is available for sale and you can still reserve a unit for 60,000 pesos. You can use it for leasing, for rental, long-term rental, 6 months to 1 year. So this unit is available for sale. And malakas ang rental business here in Uptown Bonifacio. If you want to know more about this unit, you can contact me on the details below. My number, my Viber, and WhatsApp are there. So contact me to schedule a unit viewing or online presentation. So this is Eric, your property specialist here at Mega World at the Fort.